Nothing in the entire universe can move faster than this. It is the speed of light, the ultimate cosmic speed limit. But why does a limit exist at all? And why is it this exact speed? Light is astonishingly fast, traveling nearly 300,000 kilometers every second. That is fast enough to circle the entire Earth 7.5 times in 1 second. Light from the moon reaches your eyes in just over a single second. But sunlight takes about 8 minutes to cross the gulf to Earth. So the sun you see in the sky is always 8 minutes old. For most of history, people assumed light was simply instant. It seemed to appear everywhere at once, with no delay at all. The first hint that this was wrong came from the sky. In 1676, Ole Rømer studied a moon of Jupiter. He carefully timed when that moon slipped into Jupiter's shadow. When Earth was farther from Jupiter, the eclipses ran noticeably late. The reason was simple. The light just had farther to travel. From that delay, Rømer proved that light travels at a finite speed. Later, clever experiments on Earth measured that speed directly. A rapidly spinning toothed wheel chopped a beam of light into flashes. From the timing of those flashes, they pinned down the number. Today we know it exactly, to the last meter per second. This number is now built into the very definition of distance itself. But the real mystery of light speed was still hidden. Everyone assumed light needed a medium to travel through, called the ether. Just as sound needs air, light was thought to need this invisible ether. So scientists tried to detect the Earth moving through it. They split a light beam and raced the two halves along different paths. If the ether were real, one beam should arrive slightly behind. But the two beams always arrived back perfectly together. There was no ether. Light needs absolutely nothing to travel. And this result revealed something far stranger. But no matter how you move, you always measure the same speed of light. Run toward a beam or race away from it, and the speed never changes. This makes no sense at all in our everyday experience. Throw a ball from a moving train, and its speed simply adds up. But light flatly refuses to play by that simple rule. In 1905, a young Einstein took this seriously. He made the speed of light a fundamental law of the universe. If the speed of light is truly fixed for absolutely everyone, then space and time themselves must bend to keep it that way. This is special relativity, and its consequences are bizarre. Move fast enough and your own time visibly slows down. Move fast enough and lengths shrink in your direction of motion. Two events can even happen in a different order for different observers. All of it, just to protect that one unchanging constant. It even ties mass and energy together in one famous equation. So why can nothing in the universe ever beat light? As you speed up, it takes more and more energy to go even faster. Approaching light speed, the energy needed shoots toward infinity. To actually reach light speed, you would need infinite energy. So anything that has mass can never quite get there. But light itself has no mass at all. Lucascaped Meredith spoke prosed. Massless things are never held back, so they must move at light speed. Light has no choice. It always travels at the full cosmic speed. So this limit is not really about light specifically. It is the top speed of cause and effect, itself. It is the fastest that any signal or influence can ever travel. That is why we really call it the speed of causality. And this cosmic limit hides a truly stunning side effect. Because light takes time to travel, we always see the past. Look at the moon, and you see it as it was a second ago. Look at the sun, and you are seeing 8 minutes into the past. The nearest star beyond the sun, you see it over 4 years ago. Distant galaxies, you see as they were millions or billions of years ago. A telescope is really a kind of time machine. The farther out we look, the deeper into history we can see. And this limit even shapes the entire universe we can know. Some galaxies are so far away their light has never reached us. And as space expands, some drift beyond our reach forever. The speed of light draws the very edge of the observable universe. So why is light speed this exact value and not simply infinite? If it were infinite, we would see everything in the cosmos instantly. There would be no past to look back into, no cosmic history to read. The finite speed of light is what gives the cosmos its depth. It weaves space and time together into a single fabric, a simple speed limit, hiding the deepest rules of reality. The speed of light is the universe keeping its own order. If this lit up your mind, subscribe and let's keep exploring the universe.